Hi, Gregg Perry here. We're just about commencing the restoration slash conservation of the Detouche Monumental French floor clock. I'm here in the studio, my studio here in Pennsylvania. We're going to circle around a bit. We're starting with the base. The base is made out of mahogany, hardwoods, solid woods, and actually it's been done out of veneer. And let's not forget that the French have been building cabinets and high-end furniture out of veneer since the mid-18th century. And just a few interesting things. You can see the curving of the wood, all the saw curves that have been put in to make the serpentine design copy of the base of the Detouche Monumental clock. And right here we have an ebonized piece of maple. It suffered some ravages of time, also some very bad refinishing and touch-up over the years. I'm going to cut this back and I'm going to re-French polish this in black shellac. That shellac that I'm adding carbon to. And typically in the 18th century when they did this piece, they would take the carbon out of gas lamps off the street. Okay? So that's it from the beginning. This base has been just sanded down using a para-orbital sander. The finish has been cut back sympathetically using an enzyme. And the next step here is that we're going to actually dust it off and put some color back in, put some life back into the wood itself, to the timber, and then start building a shellac finish. And we'll pick this up at a later time. So thanks for visiting the Detouche restoration.